Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or solve your Twitter app. To know how to fix or solve your Twitter app problem, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window of Twitter. When you'll find this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. Here we go to click on Play Store. If you will find update in this blue sign, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.